Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Riot Client not opening or showing the could not connect error on your Windows PC. First, close every Riot process that is still running in the background. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Look for any Riot Client, Valorant, or League of Legends processes. Right-click each one and choose End Task. After everything is closed, launch the Riot Client again and see if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, run the Riot Client with administrator rights. Right-click the Riot Client shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. This gives the client the permissions it may need to connect properly and install updates. Next, make sure the problem is not on Riot's side. Visit the official Riot Games server status page and check if there is maintenance or a server outage in your region. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until Riot restores the service. If you can open the Riot Client but your game still has connection issues, try repairing the game files. Open the Riot Client, click your profile icon, then go to Settings. Select Valorant from the left panel, scroll down and click Repair. Wait for the scan and repair process to finish, then restart the client and try launching the game again. Thanks for watching.